Huawei has officially launched the Nova 14 Ultra alongside the Nova 14 and Nova 14 Pro, positioning it as the flagship of the series. The Nova 14 Ultra will be offered in 4 colors: floating gold, floating white, glowing purple, and Obsidian Black. The Nova 14 Ultra sports a 6.81-inch OLED display with slightly curved edges and an adaptive 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate. This is an LTPO 3.0 panel. Offers up to 5,500 nits peak local brightness. Nova 14 Ultra boots HarmonyOS 5. The Nova 14 Ultra features a quad-camera system on the back, including a 50MP main sensor, 50MP periscope telephoto lens with OIS and 3.7x optical zoom, a 13MP ultra-wide macro lens, and a 1.5MP multispectral color sensor. On the front, the phone houses a 50MP ultra-sensitive portrait camera alongside an 8MP zoom portrait lens. The 14 Ultra houses a 5,500 mAh battery and supports 100W Huawei Supercharged Turbo. The Nova 14 Ultra starts at 4,199 yuan for the 256GB Kunlun glass model. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.